On Seesaw, you're going to click on Activities, and then you're going to click on Edpuzzle. It's going to bring you to this page where you're going to click Sign Up. Then you're going to say, I'm a student, and sign up with Edpuzzle. You're going to put in the class code, HEVKICE. Then you're going to put your name in, your own surname. So Abigail, last name, Esterhazen. Then your username will be your name and surname. So Abigail Esterhazen. And then you can use your name and surname as your password. Then you join the class. Join class. Say password. Then it's going to bring you here, and you're going to click on Copy of Addition with Regrouping. And that's your maths assignment. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the video, you're going to watch it. And as it goes, it's going to stop and ask you a question. So when it gets to that point where it stops and asks you a question, you will first have to listen to a note that tells you what to do. So there's the note, you press the play button and you listen to the words, listen to what it tells you what to do. So it's going to ask the question for you. Once it's finished explaining, it'll go to next question. You click there and it's going to give you your options. You choose the correct one.